car and treating me like a criminal, and I didn't even do it
For meth.
You don't even have a traffic violation.
We have a trafficking amount of meth.
You have no traffic violation.
I don't need a traffic violation. Did I turn my lights on? Did I turn my lights on?
Did I have a reason to stop?
On May 29th, 2022, in Lake City, Florida, deputies responded to what seemed like a simple encounter. But within minutes, officers would uncover evidence that turned the situation into something far more serious. A woman would claim police were violating her rights, a driver would insist he knew nothing about the drugs, and deputies would be left sorting through a story full of accusations, denials, and evidence. Let's check out the whole story and see how this situation unfolded.
4011. Turn around for me.
What have I done? What have I done?
I'll explain to you.
Can I let me see that?
Nah, not right now.
What have I done?
1144, you can 22 on it. 1140, come over here. I have Whiskey Mike, Whiskey Foxtrot 10.
You witnessing this?
Okay, here.
Why am I being arrested?
That's definitely.
Why am I being arrested?
I don't know. Obviously, there's a reason for her to be detained, so. Here, let go of this. There's a reason y'all pulled in here. I'm not dumb, okay? Do you understand why you're detained? To see what was on the hood?
No.
There's a bag of meth.
Where?
Right, I'll show you. It's right there on me. What's up?
She touched something in the wheel well. I'm thinking, you know. She said whenever we got out and we went to walk up here, she touched something up in there. Shit to the right. Which I think it might be the meth that I found right here on the ground.
Probably.
But as soon as I got out and I walked around, she lit down over here somewhere. Oh, right here.
Oh, perfect. And you saw her kneel down right there?
Yeah, she was kneeling down right here, but they saw her too. Look,
Pretty
right
good.
here. The female.
Officers approached a parked truck after noticing suspicious activity. The driver immediately questioned why officers were there, insisting he had done nothing wrong and arguing that police had no reason to contact him. As the situation unfolded, deputies observed a female passenger exit the vehicle and allegedly hide an item near the wheel well. Officers recovered what they believed to be methamphetamine and additional drug-related evidence from the area. The passenger quickly became confrontational, accusing officers of harassment and police misconduct. She repeatedly claimed the encounter was illegal and insisted she was being treated like a criminal without cause. Meanwhile, investigators continued searching the vehicle and reported finding additional suspected narcotics, drug residue, and containers commonly associated with drug transportation. Officers also noted the driver's prior history involving drug-related offenses. The driver maintained that he had no knowledge of the drugs and claimed he was simply giving the woman a ride after she contacted him for help. He repeatedly denied ownership of the narcotics and insisted he had changed his life. As deputies separated the two individuals and compared their statements, evidence increasingly pointed toward the passenger. Officers explained that multiple witnesses had observed her actions moments before the drugs were recovered.
Hey Morgan, the bag that you got out with that you stuck in the wheel well that's full of meth is also...
Did you just plant that there?
No, we pulled it out of the wheel.
Planted that there on me with the dope bag that you just dropped.
You know what's funny is someone else.
Violation reason.
This is a consensual encounter.
This is called police brutality. Swear, sir. Let me tell you this. This is police brutality. You cannot pull up on people like this, like you and her are doing.
You're going back to prison.
And then like shut that back, sir.
What's he saying?
He don't know what we're talking about.
It's broken. Stop and get some gloves.
It's all on camera.
Traffic violation stop.
It's all.
What's your traffic violation stop?
It was a consensual encounter.
No. What'd you pull up for?
I don't
What was your reason to pull up?
I don't need a reason to pull up.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
Yes, you do.
Well,
Look at me.
ask
Look
your
at
lawyer.
me.
I don't need
In
to look at
court,
you.
yes, you do.
Okay.
Everybody else might get booed up, but I know the law.
Okay, cool. We'll see how far it
Morgan,
goes.
right?
It's more. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Do you have anything on you? Anything inside you? Anything like that?
Yeah, I actually want to contest you on see, because I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know, both of y'all, this is going to be my 5th charge that I'm going to beat. That y'all planted. This is slander. This is police brutality.
11:40. Maybe change the signal 31 and test me 99. There's quite a bit of dope there, dog. Hey, if it's in the car too,
I'm
can you explain it?
I'm done. I didn't. I'm done.
Perfect.
I'm done. You tell me I have whiskey pop tarts and fish magazine.
Yeah. Yep.
He's good.
You can roll the window down if you want. She got out and put it under the wheel well when I pulled up.
Is there anything else in the truck?
Okay. Well, I'm gonna tow the truck. I'm probably gonna tow the truck because we're getting close to trafficking them out. And
I did not know that was.
okay. Well, you were using your vehicle. She was using your vehicle to transport methamphetamines. And Colombia is a zero tolerance on drugs. I have zero tolerance on drugs. Yeah, I know that. And I told you, like I told you last time, if I caught you slipping, you're going.
I didn't know it was in there. I swear to God.
Okay. .7.8. Another traffic. Yeah. Hey, here you go. Magnetic box.
Kind of empty.
Yep. It's got some residue, but it's empty. Yeah.
I'll be honest, I didn't know that was window, bud.
Okay. Well, the lockbox, the magnetic box that people always had their tracking amount of dopes in, was right there at your feet.
There's nothing in it though.
Okay.
I don't carry that for that.
Okay. There's meth residue in it.
No, there's not.
Yeah, there is.
Where?
All that little piece of
That's
dirt.
not. I promise you, that's not meth residue.
Okay, I'm gonna swab it and find out.
Go
but
ahead. Yes, sir. Go
there's
ahead.
also another bag of meth in your truck. So, what's up?
It's in that temple on the dash.
I don't know. I haven't got that far. Some cake. Hey, she's kicking on your car.
And I haven't even done anything wrong, and I can't breathe in this cop car.
Are you gonna stop
and y'all
yelling?
don't even have a bolo. You have no reason for even a traffic violation, and yet you come 2 cops deep. Y'all know how stupid y'all gonna look like in court? In court, do you know how stupid y'all look? I can't breathe.
We're already
I'm
past.
I'm an innocent person right now.
Do you want me to roll the window down?
You got me in a hot box putting dope on me.
There's more meth in the
And you even have
car.
a traffic violation.
There's more meth in the car.
I don't give a fuck what what's in that car. You don't have a traffic violation to even be doing what you're doing.
Okay.
I just
You have
practiced so that
ground
someone
to
can
even-
go
You
to.
have no ground to walk on right now.
Okay.
Did you hear me?
Well, you'll learn the laws.
Listen to me. I know the fucking law.
Okay.
You have no ground to roll up on somebody and do what you just did.
If you don't stop yelling, you're gonna get additional.
I'm a citizen of this whole country, world. I'm a human
Morgan,
being.
Morgan.
And you're treating me like I am some fucking criminal and I don't do anything.
Are you gonna listen to me or no?
You're treating me like
You're gonna.
wrong.
You are doing something wrong right now. You look.
I can't
You see
breathe.
this guy right here? You're causing a public disturbance.
You're just put me in a cop car and treating me like a criminal and I didn't even do it.
For meth.
You don't even have a traffic violation.
We have a
don't
trafficking
have to
amount of
have
meth.
You have no traffic violation.
I don't need a traffic.
have to have
Did I turn my lights on? Did I turn my lights on?
Did I
have to
stop
have a
you
reason
going?
to stop.
Did I
somebody.
stop you?
Sir. Sir.
Enjoy your day.
Sir.
Enjoy your day.
Sir, listen to me. Listen to me. Help me, please.
Did I stop
Listen,
you?
let me tell you something.
Who stopped you?
You're going to regret this because I know the law.
Okay, who stopped you?
I don't care what it is. You have to have a light up. You have to have a reason to be pulling me over to be doing what y'all just did.
You voluntarily got out of the truck and
just so you detain me for what reason?
because you dropped meth on the
I
ground.
didn't drop nothing on the ground. Hey, where was your light?
Lock your car.
buddy?
We don't need them.
Hey, where's your light? What you doing?
Yeah, I'll let you before we go. Yeah.
I ain't none of that shit in the land. Be honest, I'm being.
Well, she don't know it either. She said it's all yours. Listen to her.
It's not mine. I promise you that. Have I ever lied to you before?
Well,
Have I?
you're on inmate release for sale, manufacture, deliver of drugs.
A long time ago. I've changed my license then, man.
You haven't changed your life if you got her in the car. I promise you. And the people that you had with you last time.
I was just giving her a ride, man.
You were just giving them a ride too, and here we are. I don't really know if I have much on him. Residue. Brittany, where was this one at? On her side?
Pretty much everything was on her side. Except for that one. This was in her.
This was right there between the driver's seat, right there. That one.
I don't know. The only thing that's mine is that black box right there. That black box, that's mine.
It is yours?
That is mine, but it's not. That's not residue, you see.
I mean, there's something in it, but that was in the back.
You want that black box won't touch box. It's not. That's not.
That's the only thing I've ever seen them used for is dope.
No. I just keep it for little chargers and stuff like that.
I mean, I see them all the time.
Yeah, I believe it. That's not what I use it for. I put it for chargers and shit like that.
So you had no idea none of this was in your car?
No idea. Not a
How do you know her? Because I've been watching her and she's been wheeling and dealing
Just been a
for
friend
weeks
for a
now.
long time, and me and her kind of used to date back in the day. We'll talk.
How'd she get in touch with you today?
She called me.
And said what?
She was getting kicked out of her house and she needed a ride.
Where at?
Palm Mount somewhere.
So did you ever actually stop anywhere over here?
Yeah. But the girl wasn't home.
The girl wasn't home?
Yeah, some chick, I don't know her name.
Where at over there? Can you describe it to me?
Down there to the left in that trailer park down there.
All the way down? Where at? Like
Yeah.
there's 4 different roads back there.
It's like the one, I think it's the second road when you pull in there. Second or third.
So you turn on to the right or to the left? To the left.
I mean,
And then where from there?
it's one of the trailers, out there. I'm not lying to you, man. I've been doing good. I had no idea.
I mean, I don't think you're a complete innocent party in this, but I'm trying to help you out too because, I mean, obviously it was all pretty much on her.
Yeah, I'm being dead serious, guys.
You got so much good on your head. You know how bad
Hey, Morgan.
No, sir. You have no ground to do this to me.
Okay,
I don't give you a hard time. I ain't in your hair. I don't do nothing to you. I ain't worried about what you do. I don't got no time for this bullshit. This is crazy.
Do you want me to show you what I found though?
I don't give a fuck what you found.
That's my job though. That's my job to get dope off the street.
Your job is to do is to be justice. Your job is to find people who are doing wrong, not to pull up on people who are sitting
So you're saying
hot truck.
You're saying a trafficking
you plant dope on somebody because you do dope. Because if you do dope or you use it against people, you're either doing one or the other. Because I know that for a fact. I have 3 other different people that have you on camera, bro. You hear me?
Everything's on camera.
No, it's not. I guarantee that part wasn't. You might want to pick and choose because your lights wasn't on when you pulled up in here.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, the fuck it does.
Okay.
You look at me. Yes, it does.
Okay. Do you want to tell me?
If you had a traffic violation and a reason to pull up here.
I mean, the tent is illegal. Do you want me to turn my lights on for you?
No, your reason.
Here, hold on. I'll go turn my lights on for you. Make you feel better.
In court, you're going to look like a fucking idiot.
Okay, cool.
And you're going to lose your job. Because this isn't the first time. You have no traffic violation even. Pull me over and you detain me.
I can stop to talk to anybody I want to.
No, you can't.
Yes.
No,
you can stop to talking to me anytime you want
to. Talk to somebody, but you don't plant dope on them and detain them. That's what you just did.
I didn't even detain you. Who detained you?
This is police brutality.
Who detained you?
You are detaining me. You are talking to me. She is talking to me. Both of y'all are both equally responsible.
Okay. So
you have no traffic violation.
She watched you.
You're also on a private road here, buddy.
Okay. She watched you.
I don't give a fuck what she. She watched anything. She didn't watch a fucking thing because y'all are full of shit.
I don't have mine. I'm just going to see if she'll list me her name and number.
I mean, would she?
I don't know. I'm going to ask.
So you should be willing to write a statement.
I'm being honest with you.
Hey, just so you know, I don't have to have a reason to come talk to you. Like, I just simply pulled up here to have a personal conversation with you. It's called a citizen contact. Okay, that's why I didn't turn my lights on, that's why I didn't block y'all in. Okay, so that's what she's screaming, but it's not gonna work. I mean, at the end of the day, she's the one that got out. I didn't stop y'all. I didn't say, hey, stop. Y'all both got out. She dropped dope on the ground, and the other deputy watched her walk to the wheel well and kneel down, and right where she kneeled down at, there was a Crown Royal bag full of dope. So, slam dunk all day long, and then they all witnessed it too. So
I'm gonna be like that?
Probably. But you need to let this be a wake-up call.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I have enough to tow your truck all day. I mean, you were transporting a trafficking amount of dope.
No, I didn't know it though.
Well,
I'm finally on my feet doing good.
I appreciate you being cool, man. That goes a long way with me. You ain't put nothing in my car, right? You don't have nothing in your drawers?
No.
Despite the passengers' continued accusations and emotional outbursts, deputies remained focused on documenting evidence and investigating the scene. The situation became increasingly tense as both sides argued over what had happened and who was responsible. By the end of the encounter, what started as a routine contact had evolved into a significant drug investigation, with officers confident they had witnessed crucial evidence being concealed right in front of them. What began as an ordinary encounter in Lake City quickly turned into a high-stakes investigation filled with accusations, denials, and unexpected discoveries. Watch until the end and decide for yourself, was the driver telling the truth, or was there more to the story than he wanted deputies to know?